And then I went to the Amps and Sound booth, where I was absolutely amazed by their headphone amplifiers. This tube amplifier just sounded amazing and had several XLR connections in the front that would change up the sound slightly depending on which one you plugged into. I personally thought that the 100 ohm connection sounded best with my 150 ohm Tungsten V2 headphones, as it more closely matched the impedance of those headphones. This amp really opened up what is possible with the Tungsten V2s, and they really scale up quite nicely, and you can hear all these details in the music, as well as the layering of the instruments was amazing. I must admit there were a couple things that threw me off about this particular headphone amp, and that was that I was hearing some slight tube noise, and I didn't like that the volume control would click into predefined steps, as I found myself wanting to listen at a volume right in between two steps. I thought that this Amps and Sound tube amp sounded great, but then I heard its big brother, and this was actually one of my top 5 headphone amps that I listened to at CanJam. The way it drove my tungstens was incredible. The tungstens are power hungry, and the power that this amp provided just made my tungstens shine. It was some of the best sound I listened to at CanJam using my tungstens. And best of all, I didn't hear any tube noise at all with this bigger amp like I did with its little brother.